Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation just like I have, just tap on this button with 3 bars icon, and as you can see there we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just swipe it up like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you want to close all, just tap on this toggle here, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.